This video tutorial I will explain select distinct statement. Using a select distinct statement, we can get distinct value from the particular table. And here you can see employee table, and here you can see country has duplicate values. And if you want to get distinct value, then we have to use this syntax. Select distinct, then column names from table name. To select a distinct country from employee table, we have to use this query. Select distinct country from employee. Here you can see the query. I am executing this query, and here we got distinct country names. To find the count of distinct country, we have to use this query. Here you can see the query. Here we got count of distinct country. It is 2. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.